The length field allows you to extend the top rail horizontally by a specified distance. This is a helpful option, as many construction standards require extended rails for added safety. The extension style setting controls how the top rail extension ends. Choosing the floor option extends the top rail downward to meet the floor. Post brings the top rail back to the last post. If a wall is close enough to the railing, the wall option extends the top rail toward that wall. If the railing is a stair railing, we can use these settings to override the main pattern settings, but only when the railing is placed on a stair. Let's make a copy of our current railing and use one of them as the stair railing. Now, by activating Use Baluster per Tread on Stairs, all the settings in the main pattern table will be overridden, and we will get one baluster located on each tread. The balusters per tread parameter defines the number of balusters on each tread. Changing its value to 2 will place 2 balusters on each tread. Furthermore, you can assign a different baluster family for the treads using the baluster family parameter. Let's choose a domestic baluster for this option and see the result. For example, if you set a value in the space column for the start post, the post will be placed at a distance from the beginning of the railing segment.